My name is Heather Beebe and I am the Managing Director of CTA International. This year CTA is exhibiting our 40mm Cased Telescoped Armament System. So we have both the range of ammunition that we have manufactured and developed over the last number of years, and we also have a mock-up of an unmanned turret showcasing the capability of the system. As CTA has moved from low-rate production and now into serial production, what we're seeing is the demand from our customers for greater utilisation of the system. So we have future-proofed our system by having an arc of elevation of 85 degrees. So we are ready for all of the drone threats that our customers are currently seeing, as well as what the system was designed for, which is that greater lethality and greater ability to counter threats on the battlefield from a land domain perspective. We can now operate, we've navalised the system, we've got a land system, and we can now deal with those air threats that are coming in from drones, etc.
I'm Olivier Laporte, Head of BD and Strategy at CTA International. Yes, what we're going to display here at Eurosatory is our concept of the unmanned version of the Cased Telescoped Armament System, the 40 CTAS, in a very short package in height, which allows to produce a concept of an unmanned turret, figuring out what could be an unmanned turret, because we are not providing the unmanned turret, but the weapon system in it. And we are particularly showcasing the flat unmanned IHS, which allows to have a very compact version of the cannon. And although the cannon is aiming at plus 60 degrees here, you've got absolutely no intrusion below that place, which represents the roof of a vehicle. Then you've got a proper, true unmanned turret with no intrusion below the turret. You can at any time reload from inside the vehicle under protection, and you have access to your gun at any time when you want, but you keep the team really under that. It makes it very flexible in use than multi-domain in terms of operational capabilities, because you can then put that on lighter vehicles as well as heavy tracked vehicles, for example. Then these assets represent the capacity of the Cased Telescoped Armament System to address the land targets as well as the air targets, aiming at very high elevation, and again with no intrusion. Then the current capacity we've delivered since already 10 years to the users is already capable of addressing the air threats.